In this video, we're going to address a comment and question from one of our viewer and subscriber about our previous video regarding XNet token airdrop for XRP and solo genic or solo holders. Okay. Now, shout out to at Danny Darko 8134
Sana
for
all.
his comment and question. Okay. So he mentioned that he hasn't received his XNet tokens yet. Okay. So what we're going to do is to revisit the instructions about the XNet token airdrop for Sologenic and XRP holders here on our Sologenic Dex and wallet. Okay, so this is my actual Sologenic Dex account. So if I'm going to check my notifications, when I uploaded that previous video regarding the XNet airdrop, I only received one notification that I received airdrops for XNet token. Okay. The following day, 5 days ago, I received another notification that I received an airdrop for XNet tokens. Okay. Meaning, since I both hold XRP coins and Sologenic tokens on my Sologenic Dex and wallet, I was considerably entitled to receive airdrops for both XRP and Sologenic for this XNet token airdrop, okay?
Sana
So
all.
if we're going to click on the three lines on the top right and then click on tokens and then click on airdrops, we have it here, okay? XNet solo airdrop for a total of 20 million XNet tokens. And then the other one will be for XNet XRP airdrop. Also a total of 20 million XNet tokens, okay? So let's try to click on the XRP airdrop for XNet token. Okay. So a total of 20 million XNet tokens will be airdropped to XRP holders to show our appreciation to the XRP ledger. Guys, kindly take note of this information. Okay, if you haven't received your XNet token on your Sologenic Dex and wallet, this must be the exact reason why. Okay, it says here that the snapshot is August 12, 2023 at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, this means that if you're holding XRP on your Sologenic wallet, meaning you're just holding XRP. You're not using the XRP coin on your trading here on the Sologenic Dex and wallet. Any XRP coins that are on hold will be eligible to have a screenshot captured for you to be able to receive the XNet tokens. Okay. Otherwise, this must be the reason why a person can no longer be eligible of any airdrop. Okay. And for eligible users, the XNet token airdrops will automatically be transferred to our Sologenic Dex and wallet August 26, 2023, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? So if we're going to check the other one for the Sologenic, okay, based on the information we can see here, when we open the XNet token airdrop for Sologenic holders, it's the same with the other one for XRP coin, okay? So as long as you're holding your Sologenic tokens on your Sologenic Dex and wallet, on the snapshot August 12, 2023 at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you will also receive XNet token airdrop dated August 26, 2023, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? So luckily, on my end, I wasn't doing anything with my other XRP and Sologenic holdings on my Sologenic Dex and wallet. I'm just holding those tokens in preparation to the next bull run, and I have separate XRP and Sologenic tokens which are being used, okay, or I use for trading using the Sologenic Dex, okay. So for additional information, guys, if you're able to install your Sologenic Dex and wallet on your computers, desktop computers, or on your mobile phone, You can also try to reach out to the XNet token community. On the lower right hand portion of the page, if we click on the Twitter icon, it will automatically redirect to the legitimate XNet token Twitter account or x.com account. Okay, so here you will have a way on how to communicate or contact the XNet token support so that you can check what happened, why you're unable to receive any XNet token airdrops. In that situation or scenario wherein you're eligible to receive XNet token, since you have XRP and or Sologenic holdings on your Sologenic DEX and wallet during the exact date and time of the snapshot for this XNet token airdrop, okay? Now, another suggestion can be is to reach out to the Sologenic DEX and wallet support. That's at Real Sologenic, okay? I contacted here, the third one here, at Real Sologenic. This is the legitimate Twitter or x.com account of our Sologenic uh, token or cryptocurrency. You can see here at Sologenic Help. If you're going to click on Sologenic Help, this is the legitimate official support of our Sologenic DEX and wallet, or the Sologenic cryptocurrency in general, okay? I have already reached out to the Sologenic support before about confirming the edit limits when we hold cryptocurrencies on our Sologenic DEX and wallet, okay? So this way, if you're eligible for the XNet token airdrop but you haven't received any XNet tokens, you can feel free to contact their support by sending them an email, okay? I sent an email to their email address, support@sologenic.org, and they really respond right away within 24 hours, okay? So in case you need technical assistance regarding Sologenic or other cryptocurrencies in partnership or supported by our Sologenic DEX and wallet, definitely we can reach out to the official or legitimate trusted source, okay, for Sologenic support, okay, at Sologenic Help, okay. Now, disclaimer statement for our Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website, Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel, is strictly at your own risk. More fruitful gains, everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog.